destruction. The planet Tabian is struck by a meteor in the deepest parts of the galaxy. But what's this? The incredibly useful exploits of duct tape enthusiast Limbo Ducton are able to hold the planet together, preventing annihilation. The success of his duct tape fixture ushers in a new era for the people of Tabian, one that revolutionizes architecture, agriculture, and even arts and crafts. Now, reveling in the amazement of this incredible super material, Tabian wishes to spread its duct tape culture with the rest of the galaxy.
Greetings, Earth children, and welcome to Planet Tabian. I'm your host, Limbo Ducton, and I've just made a remarkable discovery. You see, as a well-respected duct tape enthusiast and master of quantum engineering, I've always been tasked with solving Tabian's most pressing, dire issues. But my past feats fail in comparison to what may be my greatest discovery yet. You see, while browsing an Earth website, I stumbled upon what could only be described as a genuine future-predicting device of some sort. A discovery this groundbreaking could secure the future of Tabian for eons. But as we Tabians mean to share our knowledge with Earth, it seems only fitting that I reveal this creation to you all as well. I give you the steps to complete your very own duct tape fortune teller. Let's begin. First, you're going to want to take your duct tape roll and cut out 6 5-inch strips. Once you have all 6, you can grab them one at a time and carefully layer them, making sure to watch out for those sticky edges. Measure about half a penny's width, and that should just about do it. Once you finish adding all 6 strips, you should have a square piece of duct tape. Once you have your square duct tape sheet, you can begin the folding process. I've already pre-folded this so we can watch more intently. Fold each of the corners inward. And then, flip the entire design over, and do the same on the back, flipping each side inward. Once you have done this, you may fold, and then you will have a completely functional fortune teller. Once this step is complete, you can feel free to decorate as you wish. You can draw on it, you can draw in it. With mine, I've added a unique prediction codec. Finally, the mysteries of the future are mine to observe. No, that's not quite it. Am I doing this right? Let me check the schematics. No, this can't be. Could it be that this is, in reality, some sort of Earth game with no bearing on the fabric of the universe? Surely not. Not to worry, Earthlings. While your attempt at a future prediction device left something to be desired, I'm sure with a little Tabian-inspired wisdom, it'll come to function. Now, if you'll excuse me, I'm off to the lab. And remember, stick to what you know, but never be afraid to try something new. This is Limbo Ducton, signing off. Tapu, tapu.